Hi, my name is Matthew, and today I've got for you the new Google Pixel 8a. So let's go ahead and jump in here. I opted for the green version, which is called Aloe, and I decided to go ahead and pick up the case as well. I thought about getting a different case, but I went ahead and matched it. Getting started here, we have the hashtag Team Pixel. I'm going to go ahead and open it up here. Oh, that's not clean. Let's see what we got. And there it is. So I guess that's a matte finish. It's not like a solid like green color, aloe color. Probably should start referencing that. Let's go ahead and take the top. Oh, I'm doing this wrong. I'm going to set this aside because someone commented on my other video and was like, you're doing an unboxing wrong. We have cables, a USB-C cable and a USB-C to USB-A. So I guess if you need to transfer anything or use older equipment with it. Oh, no charging block. I'm not used to that with Androids yet. The last Pixel that I had was a Pixel 3a. On the back of this box, we have a SIM kit tool. And then, of course, we have our little booklets of setting it up and all those fun things. One thing that I think would be really cool if Google did, and maybe they do on the more premium brand, is if they had Google stickers, because, you know, all the Apple people get Apple stickers. Here we are finally with the phone. I guess we take it from the back here. And then if I don't drop it, there we go. So I really like the look of this. It reminds me a lot of an iPhone. People will probably get me in the comments for that one. But I like that this color is different. It really stands out. It's not one of those like blacks or grays or golds. It's just something that you don't expect. We have seen like darker greens, purples, yellows. So this is like a very spring color and I appreciate it. Now looking at the phone, we have our power button here, volume up, volume down. We've got our two stereo speakers down here as well as a USB-C 3.2 port. This phone features a 6.1 inch display with 120 Hz refresh rate. On the other side, we have our SIM tray. Then moving to the back, we have our two cameras. It comes with a 64 megapixel quad PD wide camera with a 1.89 aperture, an 80-degree field of view, and a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera with a 2.2 aperture and 120-degree field of view. It's Gorilla Glass with always on display. There is both face unlock and it also features a fingerprint sensor underneath the screen to unlock the phone with. A few other things to note about this phone, it does feature some new Google AI features such as the Magic Eraser. It comes with 7 years of updates. This phone features a 4,492 milliamp battery. It says on the website that it'll last you a day, but again, it depends on how much you use the phone. This particular model has 128 gigabyte. You can also get it in 256. It also features 8 gigs of RAM. Here we have it, the new Google Pixel 8a. If you'd like to see more unboxing videos from me, go ahead and like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the new Google Pixel 8a in the comments. I'm curious to see what you think. Oh, I almost forgot the case. That's interesting. I don't know how I feel about that. It's like a silver kind of reflective looking. Let's go ahead and put it on the phone. I don't like that. I don't like how that's open on the bottom. I would have much rather that had been covered because I think you could scratch or whatever, especially if you're trying to plug in like the charger and you're like all over the place and you're trying to plug it up at night and you're like scratching the bottom of the phone. I don't like that, but otherwise this case fits well. Google made it, so I would hope so. It does give some protection to the camera. It's lifted up just a little bit. I would have rather this had been covered, but that's personal preference. Otherwise, I like the way the case feels, except for whatever material this is made out of. Not a huge fan. Now I just need to put a SIM card in it and use it.